My name is Maurycy Mioduski. I'm practice manager in Switzerland, living in Switzerland. I'm responsible for the DACH region. So I'm managing consulting team in Switzerland and in Germany. I have around 14 years experience in TM1. It was a complete coincidence when I started with TM1, like I guess most of us. Yeah, I seriously liked it, and that's my core of my career. I should start with the background when I came from. I am completely IT guy. I was studying IT Telecommunications, and I got the first job, which was business intelligence consultant. First few months I was working with Hyperion, and then I decided to move to IBM products. So my first real project was Cognos BI together with Cognos Enterprise Planning. It was pretty funny. It's pretty funny history because after 1 month of the project, when I started to understand the tool and started being productive, the management decided that we are not able to implement this, the customer requirements in Cognos Enterprise Planning. So they came back to me with huge book, and you can imagine that was the training materials for TM1. Go through it, and this is the new tool that you will implement the solution. And when I did it, and when we started implementing, and you can imagine after like 1 week of self-training, you are not really an expert, you just discover it. And when we started implementation, it was like, wow, I can do really a lot with TM1. It's flexible, it's dynamic, it's fast. Everything became super simple, and with the customer, we realized how quickly we can turn the requirements into at least the first prototype. So we had like in enterprise planning, Cognos Enterprise Planning, that was absolutely impossible. That during one workshop session, you start with the requirements, you discuss what the customer wants, and in the same session, you show them the working solution. That was absolutely no go. The go to production took usually 2-3 hours. And when we switched to TM1, it was like everything was instant, and we started naturally prototyping a lot, and from those prototypes we started building up the full model. So yeah, it was like, wow, we have a tool that is super flexible. It's like a very extended version of Excel back then. That was 2009. Centralized database where we can store all the data, but we still can give users the flexibility and the freedom they want. The future is bright. I think, and this is really personal opinion, because many developed the TM1 as a tool in the age when hardware was super expensive, where we had very limited resources. It's properly thought through, which is performant, which is fast, where we have the proper optimization of the logic. And what TM1 is giving, this functional database, I think there is no competition on the market, like real competition, that's the product that we can call functional database, which is as performant, as flexible as TM1. So definitely we had a visionary who decided to implement a great tool. And I think the new products on the market will never be able to compete with this.
In the universe of TM1, the Lightbulb moment is described as the phenomenon of clarity that a business developer or manager has once encountering the advantages of TM1. We asked Q-Wisers to share their Lightbulb moments. This is what they had to say.